Hi friends! If you do not use Outlook 2013 with Microsoft Exchange Server, follow the steps shown in this video to back up your whole .pst file on your Windows 8.1 PC. Move the cursor to the bottom left of the Start screen and then right-click there. Click Control Panel on the menu that appears. On the Control Panel window, click on User Accounts and Family Safety. Click on the Mail Microsoft Outlook 2013 link. On the Mail Setup window, click on Show Profiles. Click on Properties and then click on Data Files. Under Name, double-click on the personal folder service that you want to back up. Then copy the path name that appears. Close all the windows. Open Windows Explorer or this PC. Now paste the copied path name in the location bar and press Enter. You will see the .pst file. To take a backup of the .pst file, copy and paste it at another location on the hard disk drive or to any kind of removable disk. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.